wrong with you? Okay, guard.
What the f are you thinking? Retard.
Stuck in this. Jesus. What the f, dude? I couldn't see shit. What the f, bro? Did you do that on purpose? Jesus.
Break so hard for it.
Yeah, that's a, nothing happened, but it's supposed to.
It's a one-way.
Look, you about to hit this nigga. Look, see what I mean? See what I mean? The bullshit people do. I'm trying to tell you.
Okay, I went to the kitchen around 3:40.
Yeah, we were up late.
Yeah, I went to the kitchen around 3:40, and there I saw the inflatable still up. Oh
no,
crap.
I put it back up.
Oh, you were up?
No, I put.
Guys, if you want the greatest night of your life, I mean your best night ever, then you gotta hear this. There's a great ED pill out, and it's from the makers of Viagra. It's their ED pill called Viagra ATV, and it's unbelievable. It works super fast. And it's what it does to you. Viagra ATV crushes every other ED pill, and it's endorsed by the head of urology at the prestigious Cedars-Sinai Hospital in Beverly Hills, Dr. Dudley Danoff. If you've been alive, please enjoy this amazing.
I wouldn't drive through it.
I'm not. I'm waiting for this.
Yeah, good eye though. That's why I f***ing cop. Yeah, you.
Nope, there's a cop on the side of me.
I saw it. You're clear, go.
I'm going.
This hour of All Christmas Till Christmas is brought to you by Benchmark Maize. Make spirits bright.
I hope that guy's okay in that truck.
Yeah, me too.
Holiday or post-party clean today.
Oh.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Oh no. And it's that piece of fault right there. Why? They all slowed down to watch his blue lights.
Really?
Jesus Christ.
Hey, FedEx. Whoa, 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 whoa. You dropped everything.
Is that even a real FedEx truck?
Yeah.
Let me see. Park at him and open your window and say.
The war had come to her small village in the north of Kosovo. The war had come to her small village in the north of
At Fleet Farm now. This week only, holiday snack trays are 25% off. For your furry friends, buy one, get one 50% off all Kong treats and toys. Pop into
Victoria's Secret is supposed to be classy. It used to be classier. And then there's like, what's another, what's that other store? I can't think of it.
Oh, that's
Okay,
funny.
What's the Ari? There's an Ari.